What if one helmet could save 70,000 Indian lives yearly? HelmForge makes it a reality. Good morning, everyone. I am the founder of HelmForge and my name is Mayank. Do you know about 80% of people skips helmet and die? 40% blind spot crashes they never saw. Delivery guys battle fatigue with zero rear view visibility. Over 200 millions bike but no ADAS tech. Tier 2 cities loses 50,000 crores yearly. And current looks pathetic anti-theft toys that save zero lives. Biometrical locks plus rear view camera on a smart visor display. 3D LiDAR sensors plus 360 protection with level 3 auto braking signals. Just 30 minutes transforms any bike initially. NFC chips plus 360-degree face scan, authorized rider only. Rear helmet cam beam live view on visor. See behind without turning. 3D LiDAR sensors support blind spot cars, handlebar shakes, beaming warnings. AI catches sleepy eyes, GPS crashes detection, blast SOS families. 180 with exact location for safe riders. My future plans are in three phases. Phase 1, for first 3 months we would develop the helmet properly and test on first 50 bikes. On phase 2 to 6 months we would give it to small scale businesses like small delivery boys, and ensure till phase 3 we would ensure that a fast scale production would occur, which helps everyone. And at last, over 1 million kits would manufacture, and this would be saving 50% collision drops. And thank you.